So as I said, learn JavaScript, let's say from here, first 15 to 16 chapters. Then practice well through, there is one more website, which is javascripttutorial.net. Here you can also see, and there are section wise. So complete till section 5, try to complete that. Right? And then you can practice your this coding in jsconsole.com. Here you can write any code and you can check it, right? So for example, I can say integer, sorry, no. Here in JavaScript, there is nothing like integer or those things. You can say let x is equals to 23, let y is equals to 34, let z is equals to x plus y, and I will say, here you have to say console.log, which is like a printing z. So this is giving me 57, which is x plus y. It's like this. It's very interesting. JavaScript code, it's not like that line by line you have to write it. You can write the whole code somewhere and paste it here. It's like this. And that code will come, work here. Okay. Or you can use VS Code or some other IDE for executing your JavaScript code. I'm going back to our agenda for today is to complete that assignment. One more thing is there in assignment, and we are doing it now. Where is our assignment? This one. Let me close all other things. Close other tabs. Okay. Let's do this ATM part. So what we are going to do, there is ATM part here. There is a current balance and how much you want to withdraw. And we'll make a button which will be like withdraw money. And we will deduct current balance minus withdrawal money, and it will show it in the user interface. Okay. So the basic idea is current balance, user will put something, how much you want to withdraw, somebody will put it, and then they will click on withdraw money, and it should say successful withdrawal, or it should say error message if you want to withdraw more than the current balance, right? Real life scenario. Okay. So where is our code for this? You can write this code, or I have already given it. It's very simple. It's this 5 lines only. This is the 5 lines, which is for the this particular ATM thing. I want to add one button. That's it. So here, I want to add a button. After this withdrawal amount, let's create a button. Button type is equals to submit, and that's it. Let's give it a name. Let's give an ID. The ID is, you can give any name. I am just giving submit or withdraw. Withdraw. But how it will look like? Can I keep the text here? So I'll say withdraw money. Something like this. I'll close the button. Done. So this should create a button there. And this BR is not required. Let me delete this. Let me save this. And how it will look like in the user interface. This withdrawal money has come, right? Let me delete this table, right? Or I'll keep it at the end so that, it will show on the central here. Okay, let me do one thing. This table, I will delete it from here. I don't want to show this here. Control X, and let's keep it at the end. Here, save this and refresh it. Yeah, this is here now. So my goal is very simple. Here, there should be a current balance. By default, it should come. So let's fix a value. Let's fix it as 10,000 rupees or dollar. But this should be not editable. Means user should not edit the current balance. Correct? User should not edit the current balance. User should put how much money you want to withdraw. So I'll say 2,000. And once user will click here, it should show me successful withdrawal. Now your current balance is this, something like that. Okay. So very first thing, we have to fix this value, current balance value. So in HTML, basically, you can make something readable. I think when you say input current balance, I think you can say here read only, so that nobody will be able to edit it. Okay. So that is one way of making it non-editable. Let's see whether it is working. So I'll refresh this. And can I able to put it? No, I'm not able to edit it. So I just said read only. But I want to fix the value. How to fix its value? Can I say here, just a minute. I will say value is equals to 10,000 space, this save and refresh it. Yes, 10,000 is coming and it's non-editable. So what I did for the, just to show the current balance, I just made it value is equals to 10,000 and I said read only, right? That's it. So now I'm not able to edit it. Great. Now, here it is editable. Of course, you will be putting some data here. That's fine. And once user will click it, we want to capture both the values. We want to capture current balance. We want to capture how much money somebody want to withdraw, so that we can do a minus. Current balance minus value which you want to withdraw is equals to new current balance. Simple mathematics. So what we will do, first thing, because we want to identify these elements, correct? Great, we have ID already here. We have for the withdrawal amount also, we have one ID is present. Great. So on click on this submit, let's call a function. So it's very simple. Again, say on click is equals to on click is equals to calculate. You can give any name. I'm giving a meaningful name. Calculate balance. Okay. And bracket. So on click of this button, I'm saying, call this function. So you have to make this function basically somewhere in the script. I'm copying this and let's create a function. So you can create as many function here. I'll say function. This is a function and you have to write the logic here. So before you write the logic, we have to get those values, correct? So let cur balance means current balance is equals to same thing. It's like this. We have to get this, but what was that ID for that particular text box? This one, cur balance. So we are identifying that text box through that. Okay, and we are storing it in a variable. It's like this. So normal mathematics. Then let's copy this and put it here. But now we'll talk about the withdrawal amount, correct? So current balance is that, and withdrawal amount, we will store it in amount. Okay, just amount to be withdrawn. Okay, now it's very simple mathematics, but let's print it first so that we will be sure that it's working, right? So to print it, you can use console.log or you just put it alert. You can do console.log also. So in the alert, I will print cur balance is equals to plus. So this is just to show in a particular way. Don't worry about it. And plus again, some spaces or comma. And then say amount is equals to plus amount, this one. Just want to say that whether I'm able to capture those values or not. Okay. I'm giving you this code. You have to keep it in your script, in between your script tag. It's very simple. Fine. Now let's see if I say here 3,500. Let me refresh this first. And I will say 3,500, let's say here. And I'll click on withdrawal money. See here, I'm able to capture it. Current balance is 10,000, amount is 3,500. That means I'm able to get it in a variable. Okay, that will resolve a lot of things for us. Now we'll make another variable. Let new balance is equals to current balance minus amount. Correct? That will come. And let's do alert for, so this is working. Or you can say console.log. I'll show that to you. Console.log, in the bracket, we will print new balance. Here, done. Save this. And let's do it again, refresh, but this time open the inspect window also. And you can actually make it like showing at right hand side. It's like this. Okay, where is console? This one. Now I'm putting here 4,400. And if I click on withdrawal money, it is showing me this. I'll click on OK. In the console, that should have come. The value should have come, but it is not showing for some reason. Okay. Let's put it in alert as of now. Maybe it's not a number. It may be showing some error that it's not a number. I'm deleting this console.log. I will say in the alert itself. So here I want to say alert new balance, new bal is equals to plus and this particular value. Okay, save this, go back, refresh this, put, let's say 4,400 withdrawal money, new bal, I'm able to see 5,600. 10,000 minus 4,400 is 5,600. So I'm able to do it. Console.log, I'll check it later on. No issue. So we are able to get it. Perfect. Now, if you are able to show this, obviously, you should be able to show that in a paragraph. So let's add one more paragraph. One more paragraph we will add, same as the message we did, right? Same thing. But this time we will not show the what we say welcome. I'm adding one paragraph inside the form itself. Here, I'll say this ID will be not message. ID is message, or we'll say balance message. Balance MSG. And that's it. Align center. Here we'll say your current, or we'll say withdraw money. No, we'll say waiting, right? Waiting, something like this. Waiting. Save this. How it will look like? Refresh this. See here, it's showing me waiting. Waiting means you have to actually put something. Then only this waiting should come, but it's fine, right? But it's fine. We are saying waiting to complete or complete your process. Complete your withdraw. Okay. Something I'm showing some random message. Don't worry. But I want to change this message. I want to change this message. So how we will do it? Same through scripting. So here, actually, I want to set the value, correct? So I'll say mm, document dot get element by ID. Same thing here, what we did. Let me copy this. And here I will say that this balance message should be should be you have withdrawn how much money you have withdrawn this amount. Okay, something like this. Hold on. So let's create this message separately and we'll put it. So what you can say, let um message is equals to, I'll show you what I'm saying. Don't worry. Shift and Control X. I want to create the message first. So you have withdrawn this amount plus now your current balance is equals to new balance. This one. So this message will be displayed there and plus this. Okay. And here what we will do, message is let's inner HTML is equals to message. That we are doing. Simple one. First, you are putting, okay, message is equals to this complete statement. You have withdrawn this amount. Okay. Now your current balance is the value, the new balance, and you are showing it. That's it. Save this and let's do it now. Refresh this. Now I will say, so I'm showing you, I'll put here 2300 and I click on withdraw many. It is, oh, it came, but it's gone. It came for some time, but then it's gone. I saw that. So I'll put it here again. Something came, but it's gone. Great. So basically, let's not keep any message here. This welcome and all, what we have given here, right? So let's not keep anything here. Okay. Blank paragraph. Refresh this. And if I'll say 2300 now, and if I'll click here, oh, it's coming, but it's going very fast for some reason. Okay. I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is happening. Same is the thing happening with this submit also. I'm checking. No, it's not going. Hi, user. Maybe because of the message, the way we have put, it's going. Document dot this is message. Inner HTML is this. It should not go. Let's see. Can I copy the whole thing? Control X. Instead of saying message, I'll paste it here. And I'll not have this variable. Save this. And this time, if I'll say, okay, refresh this, I'll say 2200 withdrawal money. It's coming. It's coming, but it's going at the same time. Oh, maybe it's colliding with this cricketer's name thing. Maybe. I'm just guessing. Okay. Hold on. There are two things which I want to do. I want to keep this outside the form and I want to keep BR here. Okay. Line separation of the line. Save this and let me do it again. Refresh this. 2100 and withdrawal money. Now it's going very fast. Okay, no problem. Can I put this message? Hold on, Control X, and here I will put it. Fine. And what other thing? And let me make it input type is equals to button, not the button. Type is equals to button, basically. Type is equals to button. Refresh this, but I got it what it is saying here. Basically, it should be value is equals to that text. So there are two ways to create the button. One is having the button as a tag name, and another is having it as an input. Both thing is fine. So I'm changing it a bit. Let me refresh this, and 2300 withdrawal amount. Now it's coming. You have withdrawn 2300. Now your current balance is 7700 because 10,000 minus 2300. Great. We are able to do that.